I bought myself a tractor, a Massey 135, built by Harry Ferguson many years gone by. I put on a roll bar and tinted up the hood, and with her engine all done up, she was looking mighty good. With a powerful sound box and music blasting loud, I plugged in the iPod, I was feeling cool and proud. With my sunshades on and sitting mighty high, ladies they all waved at me in my Massey 135. When Sunday comes around, to church I always go. Not so much for praying, I do it all for show. The clergyman, he blessed her, "You're safe now, Godspeed." Says I, "Would God tax her? That's a favour that I need." With a powerful sound box and music blasting loud, I plugged in the iPod, I was feeling cool and proud. With my sunshades on and sitting mighty high, ladies they all waved at me in my Massey 135. I put on big alloy wheels and made for the Tully Glass. With Farmer Dan playing there, I hope to pull a lass. I got the eye from one, so I took her on the floor. She got so excited as we walked out the door. With a powerful sound box and music blasting loud, I plugged in the iPod, feeling cool and proud. With my sunshades on, I'm sitting mighty high, ladies they all wave to me in my Massey 135. Is it this Massey Ferguson that we are travelling in? As I fired up the engine, you should have heard the din. She put her arms around me, said a real good night to you. You'll have a good night kiss from me, 'cause that's all we've room to do. With a powerful sound box and music blasting loud, I plugged in the iPod, feeling cool and proud. With my sunshades on and sitting mighty high, ladies they all wave for me in my Massey 135. Ladies they all wave for me in my Massey 135.
The sons are back from near and far. I've one lad back from Mullingar. The neighbours are in to give a hand. Bridget's baking scones to beat the band. Oh, she's the AC and the cab was broke. The old John Deere was blowing smoke. I was bouncing like a kangaroo, only stopping for the boundless Jew. Driving 19 hours a day, I've some pain in my hole from that stage. Me back, but I don't care, and you don't care, 'cause we're all hauling grass. Here we go. Keep your Lanzarote, 'cause the Del's all my ass. I'd rather be in Ireland, flat out hauling grass. For half a mile behind me, no one can get past. But I don't care, and you don't care, 'cause we're all hauling grass. Up the jive. Cancel hurling training, we won't be in till it starts raining. Put my dinner in the microwave. There's hay out there I have to save. Sunburnt head to toe, it's like the pit is getting wider. I'm dreaming of that final load and a cold can of cider. Covering that pit with tires full of shit. But I don't care, and you don't care, 'cause we're all hauling grass. Grab your partner. Keep your Lanzarote, 'cause the Del's all my ass. I'd rather be in Ireland, flat out hauling grass. For half a mile behind me, no one can get past. But I don't care, and you don't care, 'cause we're all hauling grass. I'm gonna take it, Betty, and dance it. Grab your motors now. Very sad, partner. The tractor's after stalling from all this silage we've been hauling. That contractor's gone bushed. Any of my money gone ding-dushed. Evelyn Cusack says the rain is on the way. I knew we should have done this thing in May. But I don't care, and you don't care, 'cause we're all hauling grass. Here we go! Keep your Lanzarote, 'cause they do all my ass. I'd rather be in Ireland, flat out hauling grass. For half a mile behind me, no one can get past. But I don't care, and you don't care, 'cause we're all hauling grass. Jesus. Hi, Jerry. One of your better ones? Up farming and up jiving.
It felt the sun was setting on the world and its plans. We didn't have to worry, we were always in good hands. From the plate to the table, there's work that never ends. In the heart of the country, yeah, we all have some friends. Thank God for the farmers, nobody's working harder. There's no denying we rely on them to survive. Yeah, let's hear it for the farmers who keep us fed and water. In these crazy days when I kneel and pray, you hear me say, thank God for the farmers. Did we start to lose our way and praise the wrong things? Celebrate celebrity, big cars and diamond rings. It took a storm to show us where shelter can be found. Now we've learned who we can lean on when all else is falling down. Thank God for the farmers, nobody's working harder. There's no denying we rely on them to survive. Yeah, let's hear it for the farmers who keep us fed and water. In these crazy days when I kneel and pray, you'll hear me say, thank God for the farmers. Working harder. There's no denying we rely on them to survive. Yeah, let's hear it for the farmers who keep us fed and water. In these crazy days when I kneel and pray, you hear me say, thank God for the farmers, nobody's working harder. There's no denying we rely on them to survive. Keep us fed and water. In these crazy days when I kneel and pray, you hear me say, thank God for the farmers. Yeah, let's hear it for the farmers.
Oh, I love the smell of silage, sure I courses every year. I jump upon me tractor and I slap her into gear. Heading down the road with me trailer full of grass, and all the cars caught behind Reardon for to pass. Oh, Reardon, 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 Reardon for to pass. All the cars caught behind driving up me ass. Isn't that right, Johnny? That's right, that's the truth. If you want to cut the silage, you need the best of gear, the greatest yoke of all, a self-propelled John Deere. She gobbles up the grass, 10 acres in an hour. She is a woeful harvester with plenty of horsepower. Oh, I love the smell of silage, sure I courses every year. I jump upon me tractor and I slap her into gear. Heading down the road with me trailer full of grass, draw the trailers out, racing through the fields, heading for the yard, hopping down along the road, going woeful hard. Oh, I love to smell the silage, sure I cut every year. I jump upon me tractor and I slap her into gear. Heading down the road with me trailer full of grass, and all the cars caught behind, rearing for to pass. Oh, rearing, 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 rearing for to pass. All the cars caught behind, driving up me ass. Again, Johnny, again, that's right, that's the truth. If you want to cut the silage, you need the best of gear, the greatest yoke of all, a self-propelled John Deere. She gobbles up the grass, 10 acres in an hour. She is a woeful harvester with plenty of horsepower. Oh, I love to smell the silage, sure I cut she's every year. I jump upon me tractor and I slap her into gear. Heading down the road with me trailer full of grass, and all the cars caught behind, rearing for to pass. Oh, rearing, 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 rearing for to pass. All the cars caught behind, driving up me ass. Oh, rearing, 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 rearing for to pass. All the cars caught behind, driving up me ass. Isn't that right, Johnny? That's right, that's the truth, driving up your ass. Wherever the do we are.
300, 250 surely, 250, 250. Anybody give me 250 for it? 250, 250 a bit, 250, 250, 250, 250. Somebody give me 250, 250, 250, 250, 260, 260, 260, 270, 270, 270, 270. I sell them right at 270 pound. 270, 270, 270. Anybody more at 280, 280, 290, 290, 300, 300. Vincent, don't worry about who's done, just keep on ahead. Anybody more at 320, direct fill at 320, 320, 320. Anybody more at 320 with a quarter square with 2 days at 320, 320, 320. $325.
35, will they give me 35 to make it 35 a minute and
Martin Fuller, give work around the house.
$35 bill. Last time when on he did his best and all could see. Didn't have to practice calling pistol my day. His pap would find him behind the barn just working up an awful storm as he tries to imitate the auctioneer.
This is the last one.
We just can't stand to have some mediocre man telling things that out. Using our good name, I'll send you off to walking school, and you'll be nobody's fool. You can take your place among the best.
Was 350 all day, but $350, give me 250 for it, 350 bid, 360, 370, 380, 390, 390, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 510, 520, 530, 540, 50, 60,
The people came from miles around just to hear him make that thrilling sound that filled their hearts with such a happy cheer. His fame spread out from shore to shore. He had all he could do and more. Had to buy a plane to get around. Now he's the top in all the land. Let's all give that man a hand. He's the best of all the auctioneers. $45, $50, $50, give me 50, make it 50, bid it of all the $50, will you give me 50, who'll give it a $50 bill? $50 bidder now, 55, will you give me 55, make it a 55, bid it a 55, sold it all for a $50 bill. Hey, well, all right, sir, open the gate and let them out and walk 'em, boys. Here we come a lot of number 29 in, what are you going to get for? I'm at 25 to get 30 now, 5, would it be a 5, another $40 on, make it a 40 now, 5, would it be a 5, another $50 on, make it a 50 now, 5. Thank you very much.
Take my hand. Days like these aren't what we planned, but the fields are green and the meadows high. Times are hard, but we'll get by. We will dream of a brighter day, when the crops will grow and the children play. Flower boxes on the windowsill. Oh, the sun is in the sky and the cows are on the hill. Generations knew the score. This trouble wind has blown before, but I've heard we move to higher ground, where new beginnings will be found. We will dream of a brighter day, when better times will come our way. Flower boxes on the windowsill, oh, the sun's in the sky and the cows are on the hill. We will dream of a brighter day, when the crops will grow and the children play. Flower boxes on the windowsill, oh, the sun is in the sky and the cows are on the hill. Oh, we will dream of a brighter day, when better times will come our way. Flower boxes on the windowsill, boxes on the windowsill now. Oh, the sun is in the sky and the cows are on the hill.
As per all Irish farmers, our future's now in doubt. That's why we drive our tractors through the streets and all about. Farmers here in Ireland, we are so very poor. To survive upon the farm, you'd want to be a wise man. The greatest curse in Ireland, the TD's in the dawn. They really have the farmers' backs against the wall. Joe, all she does be talking and late into the night. The poor Irish farmers sinking deeper in the. As per all Irish farmers, our future's now in doubt. That's why we drive our tractors through the streets and all about. Farmers here in Ireland, we are so very poor. To survive upon the farm, you'd want to be a wise man. A family farm survival, that's why we're here today. Just to support the farmer and to get a better pay. The poor old Irish farmer, his income is so small, it's hardly worth his while getting out of bed at all. But poor old Irish farmers, our future's now in doubt. That's why we drive our tractors through the streets and all about. Farmers here in Ireland, we are so very poor. To survive upon the farm, you want to be a wise man. The querns up in Dublin, they really think they're great. If only for the farmers, they'd have nothing left to eat. John Dillon now, the president, I'd like to wish you luck. Now the querns up in Dublin, they really don't give a. As per all Irish farmers, our future's now in doubt. That's why we drive our tractors through the streets and all about. Farmers here in Ireland, we are so very poor. To survive upon the farm, you'd want to be a wise man. To survive upon the farm, you'd want to be a wise man.
I can hear the humming still of the oak here shrieking. young man when I sowed the fields of barley, with the Clydesdales when I sprayed the spuds in May. And a farmer I have lived, and a farmer I will die, and I wouldn't have it any other way. One out on the island of home, making new lives alright, in Australia, England, and America. And my mother shed a tear when the river could see. Mama, pray that we all come home someday.
sure to pass your way. I'm on the road again.
Sure, I better cut the grass. Blow your horn, Maggie, if you want to get fast. Oh, keep her blowing, the wind is at me back. Big Paddy's going mental, and he's about to crack. Oh, pitter, bitter, rapper going around the clock. Tipping, ripping, breaking, you can hear that engine up. It's silence time again. You and me and the big SP, praying for no rain. Tipping trillers, pulling billers, smell the fresh cut grass. Keep her lip, fill the pip, that summer kind of glass. Oh, holidays, me ass, sure I better cut the grass. Blow your horn, Maggie, if you want to get past. Oh, keep her going, keep her blowing, the wind is at me back. Big Paddy's going mental, and he's about to crack. Go, cutter, pitter, bitter, rapper going around the clock. Tipping, ripping, breaking, leaking, hear that engine up. No holidays for me, you're lying by the sea. I'm the king of each wind with 200 horses under me. A bowl of stew, a ham sandwich and a pint of stout. Fair lady, you big Annie, you surely filled me out. Oh, holidays, me ass, sure I better cut the grass. Blow your horn, Maggie, if you want to get past. Oh, keep her going, keep her blowing, the wind is at me back. Big Paddy's going mental, and he's about to crack. Go, cutter, pitter, bitter, rapper going around the clock. Tipping, ripping, breaking, leaking, hear that engine up. Young McGee just turned 18, mad as hell and crazy keen. 40 quid and they drive all day, 20 fags and they'll bale the hay. Buying parts has broke my heart. Am I stupid or am I smart? What's the good in a donkey if you don't have a cart? Oh, holidays, my ass, sure I'd better cut the grass. Blow your horn, Maggie, if you want to get past. Oh, keep her blowing, keep her blowing, the wind is at me back. Big Paddy's going mental, and he's about to crack. Go, holidays, my ass, sure I'd better cut the grass. Blow your horn, Maggie, if you want to get past. Oh, keep her going, keep her blowing, the wind is at me back. Big Paddy's going mental, and he's about to crack. Oh, cutter, biller, rapper going around the clock. Tipping, ripping, breaking, leaking, hear that engine knock. Oh, cutter, biller, rapper going around the clock. Tipping, ripping, breaking, leaking, hear that engine knock. Keep on trucking, gotta keep those wheels rolling down the road. Stay on the wagon, no time for slacking. Begins on and pedal down to the floor. Those tanks call for long distance hauling. Those guys are real heroes we command. The big rigs are roaring and the diesel's soaring. The pipe with the 44-ton load. How's she cutting? Keep on trucking. Gotta keep those wheels rolling down the road. Stay on the wagon. No time for slacking.
a bit of jobbing. He's on, he's driving.
If the oak's not green,
Blue, red, keep her in the shed. How's she cutting? Keep on trucking. Got to keep those wheels rolling down the road. Stay on the wagon. No time for slacking. Begins on and pedal down to the floor. Those early starts to all marts and parts. Every field we mow and down the motorways we tow. No better way to spend the day. An 18-wheeler or a tractor is our way. How's she cutting? How's she cutting? Keep on trucking, on trucking. Got to keep those wheels rolling down the road. Stay on the wagon, stay on the wagon. No time for slack, no time for slack. Begins on and pedal down to the floor. How's she cutting? How's she cutting? Keep on trucking, on trucking. Got to keep those wheels rolling down the road. Stay on the wagon, stay on the wagon. No time for slack, no time for slack. Begins on and pedal down to the floor. Stay on the wagon. No time for slacking. Begins on and pedal down to the floor.
I asked him to bail it tomorrow. Sonny, come over tomorrow. Sonny's got a brand new Elger. Got rid of that old New Holland. Hey! Bail, 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 bail. I killed for a pint of porter. Jeez, I killed for a pint of porter. There's wild bad drinking chum. I get that wasp off me sandwich. Hey! Bail, bail.
ever get it right, ever get it right, ever get it right on the tractor.
No, never gonna ride, never gonna ride, never gonna ride on a tractor.
Did you ever get a feed, ever get a feed, ever get a feed of a fiver?
No, never gonna feed, never gonna feed, never gonna feed of a fiver.
Did you ever get it up, ever get it up, ever get it upside down?
No, never gonna do, never gonna do, upside down. Did you ever get it in? Ever get it in? Ever get it inside out? No, I never got it in. Never got it in. Never got it inside out. Did you ever get your hole? Ever get your hole? Ever get your whole week's wages? No, never got me whole. Never got me whole. Never got me whole week's wages. Did you ever get a ride? Ever get a ride? Ever get a ride on the tractor? No, I never got a ride. Never got a ride. Never got a ride on the tractor. Did you ever get a ride? Ever get a ride? Ever get a ride on the tractor? No, I never got a ride. Never got a ride. Never got a ride on the tractor. Did you ever get a feel? Ever get a feel? Ever get a feel of a white bird? No, I never got a feel. Never got a feel. Never got a feel of a white bird. Did you ever get your hole? Ever get your hole? Ever get your whole week's wages? No, I never got me home. Never got me home. Never got me home. Did you ever get a ride? Ever get a ride? Ever get a ride on a tractor? No, never got a ride. Never got a ride. Never got a ride on a tractor.
That she goes on.
the moon on the 6th of June in a Volvo pulling logs. A bull skinny with a free one and a daft hauling hogs. We're heading north on the Pedigo Road for the truck show in Irvinstown, with Hugo D, Joe Mahan, Big T and George Gordon out to raise a pound.
Cause we got a little old convoy rocking through the night. Yeah, we got a little old convoy, ain't she a beautiful sight? Come on and join our convoy, don't get in our way. We're gonna roll this trucking convoy across Ireland and UK. Come on,
By the time we got close to Dublin docks, we had 85 tanks in all. There's roadblock on wall the N50 on the port comes wall to wall. The smokies are thick, built in the bumper and even in the pair in the air. It says calling all tanks are on the bang, about to go up in there. What's the last little convoy rocking through the night? Yeah, we got a little convoy, it's a beautiful sight. Nothing gonna get in our way. We're gonna roll this trucking convoy across Ireland and UK. When we got off the boat at Holyhead, folks had tried to close us down, but we swapped all them digi cards and put them RMs down. By the time we got to Buckley Stop, them wasps was getting smart. They brought some reinforcements from the Welsh and Blue Guard. There was armoured cars and tanks and jeeps and rigs of every size. Them chicken coops was full of wasps and the choppers filled the skies. Well, we shot the line and went for broke with 1,000 screaming tangs and 11 long-haired friends of Jesus in the Shark Cruise microbus. Well, we kept written on the 56 after crossed them. I seen the fight up the line with bobbies, but it didn't have a doggone dime. I said, Big Pen, this here's the rubber duck. We ain't going to pay no toll. So we crashed the gate doing 98. Said, let them truckers roll, can for us. We got a little old convoy rocking through the night. We got a little old convoy, ain't she a beautiful sight? Come on and join our convoy, nothing gonna get in our way. We're gonna roll this trucking convoy across Ireland and UK. Cause we got a little old convoy rocking through the night. Yeah, we got a little old convoy, ain't she a beautiful sight? Come on and join our convoy, nothing gonna get in our way. We're gonna roll this trucking convoy across Ireland and the UK.
championships. They're parking roads and fields and lanes beyond one range. When the rush is on from the crack of dawn, throwing the frost and wellies in the yard. Then we spin the whole way into we don't know where we are. And that is why love the back and head for the crack of the Clown Championships, where we walk around and gather down the free food and bags of chips. Well, it is a good test, even for the best, so make sure you take time to sit. When you fill your backpack and you want to make it back, make sure you buy a stick. There's cars and tractors and diggers and trucks, and some do buy and some just look. The sheds and animals, houses and stalls, even inventions to demonstrate on. There's music, food, bars and dance and fun for rides. If you're
why. Love the bike and head for the crack to the ploughing championships, where we walk around and gobble down free food and bags of chips. Well, it is a good taste, even for the best, so make sure you take time to sit. When you're working at this ready, you can dance to a bit. Whoa! To turn the field from crop to side. Very wit. Well, there's ones you drag and there's ones you lift. Well, the drive up and down to the field is brown. Well, on this tree they test, and at the end of 100 acres they do pick the best. And that is why. Oh, look the back and head for the crack to the ploughing championships, where we walk around and gobble down free food and bags of chips. Well, it is a good taste, even for the best, so make sure you take time to sit. When you fill your backpack and you want to make a bite, make sure you buy a stick.
Through the streets and all about. Farmers here in Ireland are so very poor. To survive upon a farm you'd want to be a coward whore. The bread is moved in Ireland, the TD's in the doll. They really have the farmers' backs up against the wall. Joe Walsh, she does be talking late into the night. Poor old farmers sinking deeper in the shite. Us poor old Irish farmers, our future now in doubt. That's why we drive our tractors through the streets and all about. Farmers here in Ireland are so very poor. To survive upon a farm you'd want to be a coward. Oh, family farm survival, that's why we're here today. And to support the farmer to get a better pay. The poor old farmer, his income is so small, has hardly worked his while getting out of bed at all. Us poor old farmers, our future now in doubt. That's why we drive our tractors through the streets and all about. Farmers here in Ireland are so very poor. To survive upon the farm you want to be a We're in O'Connell Street now, lad.
Aye, did you bring the Duns, brother?
I did, and it's full of shite. The queer ones up in Dublin, they really think they're great. Only for the farmers that have near an egg to eat. John Dillon, now the president, I'd like to wish you luck. Though the queer ones up in Dublin really don't give. And don't, Johnny, don't say it. Us poor old Irish farmers, our future now in doubt. That's why we drive our tractors through the streets and all about. Farmers here in Ireland are so very poor. To survive upon the farm you was whole. My mind is right, Johnny, mind is right. That's a toad for a book red. It was a queer big bale of hair for that man.
They attack a grab, whispering in black. There's a past the London night.
mine, 24/7 would be over tonight. Heading on the road, never sing away. This time of day, left for a note. Well, about 3 steps in heaven. Well, on the highway to hell, and I know it'll be a while before I say goodbye, 'cause I know you're looking well. Years did melt when a woman rang and said sorry, time. Someone else with two folks that going up and down. Top, my only fear in an atmosphere. Would you ever stop that dead jack? A hammer to the floor, and if that's your 20, that's a big 10-4. Wouldn't be that. No stop, let it move on. Never say goodbye to the woman this time, and I left for no. Well, about 3 steps in highway to hell, and I know it'll be a while before I say goodbye, 'cause I know you're looking well.
The wind in your hair and the winds in your the Sunday morning, the convoy's in full flow. Gerald Jeans, the on the tone. Heading out to the edge of town, there's a big race going down. First knows to pass the 2-mile mark is crowned the king of the road. Remember Chip and Pin and the Indian in the Class A free-leg race. When the Chip took the gold on the Mulligan Road, well, it wasn't the Indian's day. But the Indian has blood, so when he was bred with a big gang choice. 40 Sawyer, the foes with the way to go, taking home down many a race. When you're heading down the road at 80 mile an hour on the back of a sulky racer, the wind in your hair and the reins in your hands and the horse seeing your favor. Yeah, king of the road. Now there ain't no flies on the big noise if there are the paying rent. When the big noise ran, we're in the man and the record he did break. 357 out of June, glad out on a 2-mile stretch. Never beat us or lose or a cup up, now we pay your bets. And when you're heading down the road at 80 miles an hour on the back of a sulky racer, with the wind in your hair and the reins in your hands and the horses in your favor. Yeah, king of the road. Spins and 14 wins from the streamlined Sapphire Man. With a record broke on the rings and roll one morning in the dirty air. Now Thomas Clark has left his mark with a boy-bread coloured cob. Of the love-hate big noise Sapphire crew are part of the Indians mob. And when you're heading down the road at 90 mile an hour on the back of a sulky racer, with the wind in your hair and the reins in your hands and a horse sing your paper. Yeah, king of the road. Down the road, and I did my an hour son, with the wind in your hair and the reins in your hand and a horse sitting on paper. You can't roll.